Okay guys, I'm gonna shoot a video of this Super Scout driving down the road. As I was saying, all the gauges work. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's kind of hard to shoot these videos of a 4-speed, you know, while I'm holding this phone. I'm not a great video guy. It is a 304 4-speed. It is a real Super Scout. I have the line ticket or build sheet, whatever you prefer to call it. I've never driven this thing down the road. This is the first time I've ever driven it out on the road, so we'll see how it does. I've driven it in my neighborhood. The other guy claimed he was driving it. Drove it from 14 from Texas to Missouri. So we'll see how it does. This is a 77 Super Scout 2. It was ordered without a top, without doors, and without a rear seat. So, anyways. All the gauges seem to work. Speedometer works. Like I was saying, the fuel pump, the carburetor, the starter, the alternator, fuel filters, ballast, you know, coil. He kept up with all the general maintenance to keep the thing running. He never did anything cosmetic to it. He basically just drove it as it was when he bought it. He drove it home from Texas with no top and doors and told me the story that, you know, he got caught in a rainstorm and all that good stuff, which we do that stuff all the time, so I kind of used to it. Me and the wife, we drive our old stuff. Like I said before, there's been a floor pan patch on the driver's side welded in. It's nice and sturdy. It's going to need those rear patches I'll show you again in a minute. In the rear tub area, the rear bed floor needs a couple patches, but you know, not everybody wants a show truck, so or necessarily, you know, a mechanically restored truck. So if you're wanting something to drive around, you know, drive down the back roads and the gravel roads and things like we do, you know, I think I'm going to do the 2 floor patches it needs in the rear floor, and Herculine or Line-X the whole inside of the tub, and then I'm going to leave the body alone. I mean, it's good enough for me for cruising the back roads, and let somebody else, if they want to take it to the next level restoration, let them do it. Like I said, the dash is in nice shape, the seats are in nice shape. I don't really see the point. You know, I tend to make everything, you know, new paint, get the stuff done, and then you have to ask way more for it. So there's another video on here of it. There's a still ad with some still pictures. But if you're just looking for something to cruise the back roads with, or drive around small town, or I guess you can go wherever you want. It's a 304 4-speed with 354 posi rear. You know, I don't know. I think it's a cool truck, and I think it's going to make somebody a super cool truck. I just wanted to shoot a quick video of it going down the road. I had to go over to my buddy's here to show him how to operate some things on his new car. So, like I said, I'll do a little quick walk around of the outside again. Anyways, like I said, it's not, the seats are nice, the dash is nice. I don't think it warrants putting a whole rear pan in it, you know, bed floor, so I was just going to patch those 2 areas of bed floor. Like I said, all the gauges work. You can watch the other video if you want to see the motor and all that stuff. I'm not getting into it today. I just wanted to show it driving down the road. I'm going to take it for a little evening cruise down the back roads tonight. But it is a real 77 Super Scout 2. Pretty rare. I've got the line ticket or build sheet, like I said, whatever you call it. Tailgate works nice. So there you go.